Do you want to stream an old video as live on YouTube without actually being live? In this video, I will show you how to schedule and broadcast pre-recorded videos as if they are happening in real time. My name is Isabella, and what I do here is share ideas on how to make money online and teaching you how to use some websites and apps that can be beneficial to you. And if you're new here, please do well to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can get notified. So moving forward, let's head over to Chrome and we're going to search for restream.io. Restream.io, and we're going to click on this first link. So here is the page. So we're going to sign in with our email. Okay. And then you click on new stream and Restream Studio. Then it take you over to another page. So you click on allow mic and camera, allow live streaming, while visiting the site. Yeah. So let's wait. Okay, so here you enter studio. And after which it takes you to the studio. Then you click on this three dots on the down row. Then click on local videos. Then you can pick any video of your channel, preferably videos from your channel. Don't pick anything outside your channel or outside your niche. So pick any video within your channel, within your niche. So you click on it and then we'll head over to the studio again. Then tap on the screen where your video appeared. Then you're going to see increase volume and click on loop. And you can also click on enhance, maximize, sorry. So then it's going to look like this. So now the next thing we want to do is, connect our channel to this website. Connect. So you see, look at the button at the top right side of the screen. You click on it, and then whichever channel or social media page you want to stream live. I'm picking YouTube because that's basically what this video is about. Then it's going to take me here. I'll give the necessary approval. Make sure it's the email connected to your channel. Make sure it's the email connected to your channel. Don't forget that. So after giving the approval, manage the use of your accounts, you click on it and then continue. So let's wait a bit. So all right, so it says connect YouTube, and your channel is successfully connected to the website. So whatever activities you're doing on the website is going to reflect on your channel. So here's my channel, Bella by Isabella, already connected. So save, and then now you can either go live or you can schedule to go live. Schedule, click on the button beside the go live, then it's going to bring you here and you put your necessary information, the date, the time you want it to go live on your behalf, and then click on next, and then it takes you you put in the necessary information, and then it automatically goes live by itself. Then if you want it to go live immediately as you're setting it up, just click on go live. Very simple. Now I've clicked on go live. That's why it's counting 3 2 1 go. Now it's live. It's live already. So, and if you want to end the live, you can also end it immediately. Just click on end live and it's going to show you this. Very simple and straight to the point. So, and you can also view comments on your live from this website. That's tell you how connected it is. Now let's go over to my channel and see if it's actually worked. Now I'm going to click on live, and remember we didn't stay long on the live, so it's showing 6 seconds. I was live for 6 seconds. You can see that. Okay. All right, thanks for watching, guys.